Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making Jamaican patties and I've got some leftover lentils that I'm going to use for the meat substitute. And in this bowl I've got my dough already kneaded and set, and I use 1 cup of spelt, organic spelt flour, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of pink salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda to form the dough. Now I'm gonna roll the dough, guys. I'm gonna cut them in pieces and I'm gonna shape the dough in the patty, the round. I'm gonna roll it out, and then but you'll see as I go along, guys. I'm gonna explain as much as I can, step by step, as we go along. Alright, so yeah, let's get started. Welcome back, guys. So now that I cut my dough, guys, and I get I'm gonna make 8 patties. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna roll the dough. So I'm gonna do one first, guys, and then you can see how I roll my dough. So yeah, guys, my countertop clean, proper clean. Yeah, it's well clean. So I've got here, guys, and I'm gonna roll it like that, as thin as possible. I can just gonna roll it as thin as possible, but not too thin, guys, because you don't want the filling to kind of leak. So yeah, so not too thin. So yeah, this is how I want it, guys. This is all right for me. It's not too thin. It's just the right. This is the right consistency that I need for the filling. You see, guys, lighten it in a bit. So now I'm gonna add my filling in the center like that. I'm just gonna add my filling in it and I'm gonna seal it, guys. So you're gonna fold it over. You're gonna fold it over to seal the edges, and to seal the edges, guys, you're gonna use a fork. Understand? You're gonna press it. So I'm gonna use a fork, guys, and I'm gonna press it like that to seal it. And then you're gonna go ahead and cut off the excess dough that you don't need to form the patty. Just like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and I'm gonna cut the excess that I don't need. And even if you mess it up, guys, you could shape it up back. You can shape it. So yeah, so that's the excess, and I'm gonna do the edges there, guys. Guys, you can add cheese if you want, but I ain't got no vegan cheese at the moment, so I'm just keeping it simple, cheesy patty, and I don't want them too big either. So yeah, and then, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the same fork and I'm gonna poke like holes in it like that, so it can release the air. Some people said it doesn't make a difference whether you poke it or not, but to me it does. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and yeah, and I'm gonna make the other ones I'm gonna remove this one and I'm gonna make the other one, guys. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So guys, now that my patty is shaking, you see, let me get the light a bit. Yes. So I got them in this tray and I'm gonna bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. So I only fit in 5 in here, guys. That's enough. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna use some coconut oil. I'm just gonna base it just like that, just to get a bit crust, just to get a bit of crust, and it's not a lot. Just touch it up. Yeah, guys, look at the color. Yeah, just to get rid of excessive amount of flour on there. So just touch it up with a little coconut oil on the top. So yeah, just like that. My stove already preheated, guys, and I put it at gas mark 5. So yeah, because the lentil is already cooked, so it's just the dough. So this is alkaline, guys. Vegan patty, alkaline. It's no meat, no dairy product, because I don't take dairy product, and I don't eat soy. I cut soy out completely. I used to eat a bit of tofu, but not anymore. I just cut soy from my diet. So yeah, so this is how I want it, guys. Woo! Look at that, guys. Look at these scrumptious vegan patties. I'm waiting to go in the oven to bake, and I can't wait to try it. It looks so good. So guys, I'm gonna bake these now for 20 to 25 minutes, as I said, and then yeah, we get there. Yeah, when we get there. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that my patties are baked, this is the finished product, guys. Oh, scrumptious they look. Look at them, guys. Lentil patties, so good. Guys, we're gonna do a taste test. But guys, I just want to say thanks to each and everyone who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really appreciate that. I'm grateful and I'm thankful. Thanks to each and everyone who watch the videos. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, the whole work, right? Guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload, you won't miss another video from me. And I just want to say, guys, please go ahead and follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got other contents coming out, guys, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on all social media, Natural Jamaican _vegan on Instagram, and Natural Jamaican Vegan and Facebook. So guys, I just want to say again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye. Wanna big up on yourself. All good up. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy also. Alright guys, until next time, guys, bye.